Namaste to all. Welcome to Disha online classes. In the last video, we had discussed about the problems which are based on the definitions of a trigonometric functions. Okay. So today's class, let us start with the problems which are based on the allied angles. Okay. Yes. So first question. Find the value of a trigonometric function, that is sine of 120 degree. Find the value of sine of 120 degree. So how to find the value? Means by using allied angles. Just here we don't know sine 120 degree. Okay, so just express this 120 degree, sum of the two angles or difference of two angles. Is there possibilities? Right now 120 degree can be written as 90 degree plus 30 degree. Possibilities. So similarly 180 minus 60. Okay, so first write down here sine of 120 degree as 90 degree plus 30 degree. So solution, sine of 120 degree, which is equals to sine of 120 degree can be written as 90 degree plus 30 degree. So that now this is of the form sine of 90 plus theta. We know sine of 90 plus theta. How to evaluate? How to find? This is by allied angle concept. So here 90 degree plus theta is there. 90 plus theta lies in which quadrant? See, this is 0 degree and this is 90 degree and suppose 180 degree and 270 degree, again one complete rotation, so this is 360 degree. So here 90 degree plus theta is there. 90 degree plus theta means here lies in the second quadrant. Okay, so 90 plus theta in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine function is positive or negative? It is positive, because in second quadrant only sine and cosec are positive. Correct na? So that in 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sine function is positive, take plus sign. Then 90 degree is there. Definitely for 90 degree and 270 degree ratios changes. We know, correct na? So for 90 degree and 270 degree, sine ratio changes to cos. Similarly, cos changes to sine, and cot ratio changes to tan. Tan ratio changes to cot. Similarly, secant ratio changes to cosec. Cosec ratio changes to secant. This is for 90 degree and 270 degree. So here 90 degree is there. Definitely ratio changes. Here ratio is sine is there. Correct na? So definitely sine changes to cos. So angle is 30 degree is there. So sine of 90 plus theta is cos theta. Sine of 90 degree plus theta 90 plus theta is cos theta. So now cos 30 degree value. So cos 30 degree is equals to, so plus root 3 divided by 2. So that sine of 120 degree is equals to root 3 by 2. Okay, this is the way. That means here expressed 120 degree as sum of the two angles, that is 90 and 30 degree. It is 90 plus 30. So is there any other possibility? Yes, of course. Again 120 degree can be written as 180 minus 60. Correct now? 180 minus 60. So let us start with that. So sine of 120 degree, which is equals to sine of 180 degree minus 60 degree. 180 minus 60 is 120. So that again here sine of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta lies in which quadrant? 180 degree is there. This is 180 plus theta. 180 minus theta means less than 180. Less than 180 lies in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine function is again positive. Take plus sign. Again, here 180 degree is there. So for 180 degree, whether ratio changes? No. for 180 and 360 keep ratios as it is. So that sine becomes sine. So sine 60. So now sine 60 degree value. So root 3 divided by 2. So that sine of 120 degrees equals to root 3 by 2. Okay, this is the way to evaluate evaluating the values of trigonometric functions. So here very important is allied angles. ಏನದವಲ್ರಿ allied angles ಬರ್ಬೇಕು complete ಆಗಿ. Then only it is possible to find the values of these trigonometric functions. Okay, yes. Then next. So next question. Find the value of tan of 135 degree. Find the value of tan of 135 degree. Yes. So again 135 degree, how to express? Solution. Tan of 135 degree which is equals to, so how to write 135 degree? So 135 degree can be written as 180 minus one possibility, and second possibility 90 plus. Is there the possibility? So write down. So here tan of 135 degree can be written as tan of 90 degree plus 45 degree. So 90 plus 45 degree again, that is 135 degree. So that here 90 plus theta is there. 90 plus theta lies in which quadrant? Again it is in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan function is positive or negative? It is negative. So take minus. 90 degree is there. Definitely tan ratio changes to cot. So cot of angle is 45 degree is there, right? Which is equals to minus keep as it is. So cot 45 degree value, that is 1. So that tan of 135 degree is equals to minus 1. Tan of 135 degree is equals to minus 1. So similarly, again 135 degree can be written as 180 minus 45. Correct na? So write down tan of 135 degrees equals to, these are the ways to evaluate the values of functions, okay, by using allied angle concept. Okay, yes. So tan of 135 degree again can be written as tan of 180 degree minus 45 degree. Yes. So tan of 180 minus 45. First observe where this allied angle lies. 180 minus 45. Less than 180, correct na? So less than 180 means it lies in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan function is negative. Take minus sign. So 180 degree is there. Definitely ratio changes or not? No. Okay. So keep tan function as it is. 45 degree is there. So again minus tan 45 degree 1. So again, so therefore tan of 135 degree is equals to minus 1. Okay, this is the way to evaluate the values of trigonometric functions when angle is given in degree. Okay, yes. So next question. So next question, third question. Find the value of cos of 420 degree. Okay, find the value of cos of 420 degree. So solution. Cos of 420 degree, which is equals to, cos of 420 degree is equals to, see here 420 degree is more than 360 degree. That means after one complete rotation, correct na? Here 360 degree is there. That means this 420 can be written as 360 plus. Correct na? So that cos of 420 degree can be written as 360 degree plus 60 degree. So 360 plus 60 is 420. So yes. So 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta. So 360 plus theta, that means more than 360 degree. So more than 360 means it definitely it lies in the first quadrant. Okay, 360 plus theta. So it lies in the first quadrant. So in first quadrant, whether cos function is positive or negative? Definitely in first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive. Correct? In first quadrant all the trigonometric functions are positive. So that cos function is also positive. Take plus sign. For here 360 degrees there, definitely ratio doesn't changes. Okay. So that keep cos as it is. So cos of 60 degree. Now cos 60 degree 1 divided by 2. So cos of 420 degrees equals to 1 divided by 2. Okay. Yes. Then next problem. Fourth one. Find the value of sine of 765 degree. Find the value of sine of 765 degree. How to express 765? See, this is one complete rotation, that means 360 degree. If there is a two rotations, that means 360 plus 360, that is 720 degree. So that means this 765 degree is more than two rotation. Correct? One rotation, that is 360 degree, one complete rotation. For again second rotation, that is 360 plus 360, 720 degree. But here more than 720 degree is there. That means that is 720 plus. Correct? So sine of 765 degree, sine of 765 degree, which is equals to, see, 765, how to express 765, that means 2 times of 360, 2 times of 360 is 720. Okay, yes. So here 765 degree is there. How to add this 720? That means how much angle we need to add to this 720 degree to get 765 means 45 degree. Correct? Na? So 720 degree plus 45 degree. So 720 plus 45 is equals to 765 degree. Okay. So that sine of 720 plus 45 degree is there. So 720 again can be written as 2 times of 360. So I will write here 2 times of 360 degree plus 45 degree. So okay, 765 degree is more than 360. Only more than 720 degree. Okay, so we need to get 765 degree. Just we need to add 45 degree to the 720 degree. So that now this is of the form 2 into 360 plus 45 degree. That means 360 plus theta. Is it right? 2 is, that means 2 rotation, 2 complete rotation. Okay, if only 1 into 360 degree, that is 1 complete rotation. 2 into 360 degree, that means 2 complete rotation. Okay, so that 2 times of 360 plus 45, again 360 plus theta. So 360 plus theta lies in which quadrant? That is again in the first quadrant. In first quadrant, sine function is positive or negative? Definitely positive, because all trigonometric functions are positive in the first quadrant. Okay, definitely here 360 degree is there, ratio doesn't change, so keep sine function as it is. So sine of here angle is 45 degree. So we know sine 45 degree is equals to 1 divided by root 2. So that sine 765 degree is equals to 1 divided by root 2. Okay, so sine of 765 degree, 765 can be written as 2 times of 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta lies in the, just no need to observe this too. Just see 360 plus theta lies in the first quadrant. In first quadrant sin function is positive, so take plus sign. So 360 degree is there. Keep a sine ratio as it is. Okay, sine of 45 degree, sine 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. So that the sine of 765 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Then next question, fifth one. Find the value of cos of minus 1410 degree. See here, angle is negative. Angle is negative means rotation is in clockwise or anti-clockwise. Rotation is in clockwise direction. Okay. If here angle is negative means definitely it rotating in the clockwise direction. Okay. Cos of minus 1410 degree, so which is equals to, so this is of the form cos of minus theta. So cos of minus theta is equals to cos theta. Okay, so here we need to use the result, that is cos of minus theta, which is equals to plus cos theta. So cos of minus theta is equals to plus cos theta. So that cos of minus 1410 degree, which is equals to plus cos of 1410 degree. So again, cos of 1410 degree, how to express? See, alright, done here. 360 into 2 is 720. 360 into 2 is 720. Here 1410 is means 720 two times. Correct na? See, 2 into 360 is 720. So again, here 1410 degree is there. Definitely 4 times of 360. See, 4 times of 360 is 400, 4 6 are 24, 1440. Correct na? So 4 times of 360 is 1440. But here 1410 is there. That means we need to subtract to get 1410. That means 1440 minus 30 degree. So we get 1410. 1440 minus 30 degree is equals to 1410. So that 1410 can be written as 1440 minus 30 degree. Again 1440 can be expressed as 4 times of 360. So that the cos of 1410 degree can be written as cos of 4 times of 360 degree minus 4 times of 360 is 1440. So 1440 minus 30 degree. Oh, right. Then next is, see, there are 4 rotations. Okay, again 4 rotation minus. So this is one complete rotation, second rotation, third, and next 4th rotation. Okay, 4 times of 360 minus theta. So 4 times of 360 minus theta means it lies in the 4th quadrant. 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta lies in the 4th quadrant. So in 4th quadrant, cos function is positive or negative? Definitely cos function in the 4th quadrant it is positive. Only cos and secant are positive in the 4th quadrant. Right. 360 degree is there, definitely ratio doesn't change, so that keep cos function as it is. So 30 degree, so S. So which is equals to cos 30 degree is equals to root 3 divided by. So that cos of 1410 degree is equals to root 3 divided by 2. So again which is equals to cos of minus 1410 degree. Okay. So cos of 1410 degree is equals to root 3 by 2, or cos of minus 1410 degree is equals to root 3 by 2. This is because of cos of minus theta is equals to cos theta. Sin of minus theta is equals to minus sin theta. You need to know those allied angles. Okay. Yes. The next question. See, up to here, all the angles, whatever we discussed here, all the angles are in a degree. Correct, na? All the angles are in a degree. If suppose, if angle is given in radian, then how to evaluate? Okay, na? We will see those problems. Before going to that, let us take some of the problems, okay, based on these degree. Homework problems. Angles, that means find the values of all trigonometric functions. See question. Find the values of all trigonometric function with respect to following angles. With respect to following angles. Okay. So angles are, take down homework problems. 450 degree, 405 degree, 150 degree, and the fourth one 240 degree, 330 degree, and the sixth one 1710 degree, and the seventh one 300 degree. Okay. 720 degree, and lastly that is 630 degree, and one 390 degrees. So just take down these homework problems to find the all trigonometric functions with respect to the following angles. So that means just find out sine of 450 degree, cos of 450 degree, tan of 450, secant of 450, all trigonometric functions with respect to these angles. Okay, is it clear? Here angles are given. Find the sine 450, cos 450, tan 450, and all 6 trigonometric functions. Similarly, with respect to this angle, find sine, cos, tan, and all. Okay, yes. The next is so take the next problem. If angles are given in radian, then how to evaluate? Okay, yes. So next problem, that is problem number 7. Okay, find the value of sine of 7 pi divided by 6. Yes, how to evaluate? Here sine of 7 pi divided by 6, here angle is given in radian. Okay, this is not a standard angle. Okay, if you know sine of pi by 6, sine of pi by 6 is the sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree 1 by 2. Correct, na? But here sine of 7 times of pi by 6 is there. So again we need to go by allied angle method only. So in solution, sine of 7 pi divided by 6, which is equals to, see, observe how to write, how to split this 7 pi by 6. Okay, sine of sine of, here pi divided by 6 is there, na? Just observe pi divided by 6, leave it 7, only observe pi by 6. So write down here pi divided by 6 and take here pi. Okay, observe pi divided by 6 is there, write down pi by 6 and write down here pi. Yes. So here take a operation, that means either plus or minus. So for what operation we need to get 7 pi by 6, correct na? So just take here minus sign. So what will happen? See pi divided by 1, so LCM is 6. So 6 into pi, 6 pi minus 1, so that is 5 pi by 6. But here 7 pi by 6 is there, that means we need to take here plus. This is an idea test. That means 7 pi by 6 can be written as pi plus pi by 6. Okay, so this 7 pi by 6 can be written as pi plus pi by 6. So now this is of the form sine of pi plus theta, that means sine of 180 plus theta. So sine of 180 plus theta lies in which quadrant again? Okay, so this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is 180 degree, that is pi, and this is 3 pi by 2, that is 270 degree, and this is 2 pi, so 36. Correct na? In terms of radian. So here pi plus theta is there. Pi plus theta lies in which quadrant? Pi plus theta, here 180 degree, 180 plus theta lies in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, sine function is positive or negative? Definitely sine function is negative. Only tan and cot are positive in the third quadrant. So that 180 plus theta lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, sine function is negative. So take here minus, and then here 180 degree is there. So ratio doesn't changes. Keep the sine ratio as it is. So angle is pi by 6. Okay, so equals to minus. So sine pi by 6, nothing but sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is 1 divided by 2. So that the sine of 7 pi by 6, which is equals to minus 1 by 2. Okay, understand? So this is the way. Okay, first observe, leave this 7, only pi by 6 is there. So write down pi by 6 and take here pi. So here we need to take an operation either plus or minus. It depends on 7, here this number 7. Okay, if I take here minus sign, then LCM is 6. So 6 into pi, 6 pi minus pi. 6 pi minus pi is 5 pi. 5 pi by 6. But we need to get the 7, so take plus sign. So 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi divided by 6. Okay, yes. Then next, second 8th problem. Find the value of tan of 3 pi divided by 2. Tan of 3 pi by 2. Yes. So again, how to evaluate tan of 3 pi by 2? So first tan of 3 pi divided by 2, which is equals to, see, tan of, leave this 3, just observe pi by 2. So write down here pi by 2 and take here pi. So take a operation either plus or minus, it depends on 3, that means we need to get 3 pi by 2. So just take here plus, correct na? So that is 2 pi plus pi, that is 3 pi divided by 2. If you take here minus sign, what will happen? LCM is 2 of course, but 2 pi minus pi will get pi by 2, but here 3 pi by 2 is, so that take plus. That means 3 pi by 2 can be expressed as pi plus pi by 2. So is equals to tan of 180 plus theta. Wait a minute. 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta in third quadrant. It lies in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan function is positive. Take plus. So that 180 degree is there. Definitely a ratio doesn't changes. So that keep tan as it is. So tan of 90 degree. Yes. tan 90 degree, that is infinity. That means not defined. Okay, not defined. So tan of 3 pi by 2, which is equals to infinity or not defined. So just very easy. 3 pi by 2, just express sum of the two angles. Okay. So here 3 limit, pi by 2 is there. First write down pi by 2. This is for just idea. Okay. Plus, write down here pi. Take either plus or minus with respect to this. That means we need to get 3 pi by 2. Okay. Yes. Then next problem, 9th one. Find the value of secant minus 11 pi divided by 3. Find the value of secant minus 11 pi divided by 3. Yes. How do we have it? Secant of negative angle is there. That means rotation is in clockwise direction. Okay, so that first convert into positive angle. Okay, secant of minus theta, the result is plus secant theta. Correct, na? Only for secant and secant and cos, we will get a plus sign. Secant of minus theta is secant theta, cos of minus theta is cos theta, and for all remaining 4, sin of minus theta is minus, tan of minus theta is minus tan, and also. Okay? Yes. So if theta is minus 11 pi divided by 3 is there. So equals to secant of minus 11 pi by 3 is secant of 11 pi divided by. Okay. And now secant of 11 pi divided by 3, which is equals to secant of s. Leave this pi 11. Just observe pi divided by 3. So write down here pi by 3 and take here pi. Okay. See here pi by 3. To take any operation, either plus or minus. If suppose plus 3 pi, that is 4 pi by 3. But here 11 pi by 3 is there. Correct, na? So that what we need to do is, so multiply a number to this pi such that we need to get pi 11 pi by 3. Okay, see, suppose here I will take 4 pi. So 4 pi and here I will take minus. So cross multiplied 4 pi into 3. That is 12 pi. 12 pi minus pi, 11 pi. 11 pi by 3 na? See, just idea. To express this 11 pi by 3 as sum or difference of angle. So we are using the idea, that is 11 pi by 3 is there, leave it 11. So write down only pi by 3 and take here pi. Okay. So start initially, take plus sign. What will happen? 3 into pi, 3 pi, 3 pi plus pi, 4 pi by 3. No possibility. Take a difference, we will get 2 pi by 3. Okay? That means we need to multiply pi with some number. Right? So multiply by 2, 2 3s are 6. 6 pi by 7 pi by 6. Next 9, 9 3s are 24. Leave it. Next, write down here 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus pi will get definitely 11. So take here 4 pi minus pi by 3. So which is equals to secant of 1 minute. Again observe, allied angle is 4 times of pi. This is 1 pi. Correct, na? This is 1 pi. And then next, this is 2 pi. This is 1 pi, this is 2 pi. Next again, this 3 pi, and then next this one is 4 pi. That means 2 rotation. 4 pi means 2 rotation. That means 4 pi minus pi by 3 is there. 4 pi minus pi by 3. That means 360 minus lies in which quadrant? It lies in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, secant function is positive or negative? It is a positive. Okay, in fourth quadrant, secant function is positive. Take plus. And then next, here 4. That means 360 degree is there. Na? For 360 degree, ratio doesn't changes. So that keep secant function as it is. Theta is here pi by 3 is there. S secant pi by 3, that is secant 60 degree. Correct? Na? Secant 60 degree, that means cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Take the reciprocal, that is plus. So secant 60 degree is plus 2. So that secant of 11 pi divided by 3 is equals to 2. Okay, this is the way to evaluate. Okay, and then next problem. Okay, and 10th problem, that is find the value of tan of 19 pi divided by 3. Tan of 19 pi divided by 3. So again, solution, this tan of 19 pi divided by 3, which is equals to, see how to write, tan of, limit 19, write on pi by 3 and take here pi. So here 19 is there, definitely we need to multiply some number to get 19 pi by 3, correct na? So that just here I will write 7. See what will happen, 7 3 is 21, but here 19 is there. So here I will write 6. So 6 3 is 18. 18, but here 19 is there na? So just add. So just an idea. See, LCM is 3. Here 6 pi is there. 6 pi into 3, that is 18 pi plus pi. 18 plus pi, 19 pi. 19 pi divided by 3. That means this 19 pi by 3 can be written as 6 pi plus pi by 3, which is equals to, see, 6 pi is nothing but that is 3 rotations. 3 were complete rotation plus theta means that is in the first quadrant. Okay, so 6 pi is nothing but 3 complete rotations. After complete rotation, there is again angle that lies in the first quadrant. Okay, in first quadrant again tan function is positive, so take plus sign, and here 360 degree is there. Okay na? For 360 ratio doesn't changes, write on as is. So tan of pi by 3. Yes, tan pi by 3 value, that is tan 60 degree, that is root 3. So that tan of 19 pi divided by 3 is equals to root 3. Okay, what an idea? So this is the way. So if angles are given in the radian, how to evaluate the values of trigonometric functions? Okay, yes. And the next problem, 11th one. Find the value of cosec 7 pi by 6. Cosec 7 pi by 6. Yes. How to write this 7 pi by 6? Cosec 7 pi divided by 6, which is equals to cosec. So here 7 pi by 6 is there, write down plus pi by 6, that is plus pi. So pi plus pi by 6, that is 7 pi by 6, correct? So 180 plus theta lies in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, cosec function is negative. So take minus sign, then cosec 180 degree is there, ratio as it is cosec pi by 6. So minus cosec 30 degree. So cosec 30 degree means sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Take reciprocal, that is 2. So cosec 7 pi by 6 is equals to minus 2. Okay, na? So this is all about the when angles are given in radian, how to evaluate the values of trigonometric functions. So let us take some of the problems. Okay, na? Based on the these allied angles only when angles are given in radian. Okay. Yes. Yes. Take down these homework problems. When angles are given in radian. Okay. Find the values of following trigonometric functions. First one, sine of 2 pi by 3, cos of minus 5 pi by 6, tan of 31 pi divided by 3, and fourth one, cot of minus 15 pi divided by 4, and fifth one, secant of 21 pi by 4, and cosec minus 17 pi divided by 3, seventh cot of 15 pi by 2, and sine of 31 pi by 4, and cos of 37 pi by 6, lastly that is tan of minus 41 pi divided by 4. Okay, find the values of all these trigonometric functions. Okay, when angles are given in radian. Okay, we see when angles are given in radian as well as a degree. Okay, this is all about the finding the values of trigonometric functions when angles are in allied angles. When angles are allied angles, so that allied angles are there, so they are very important. So this is all about the allied angles, and in the next class, okay, in the next class we will move to the derivation. Very important. So that means sine of x plus y or cos of x plus y. Okay, how to expand that sine of x plus y. There is a derivation. That's very important. Okay, in the next class we will move to the derivation sine of x plus y. So do all these homework problems. These are very important. Okay. Add one thing before going to the next class. So write down the domains and ranges of these trigonometric functions. Total 6 trigonometric functions are there. Okay. With respect to those trigonometric function, definitely there is a function. The word itself, function, means definitely there is a domain and range. Okay. So similarly for all these 6 trigonometric function, there is a domain as well as there is a range is also. Okay. Yes. See, trigonometric function. The word function is there, na? The word function is very important. Without a function, there is no mathematics at all. Okay. So definitely function means there is a domain and a range. There is a domain and a range. So then next is domain and ranges. Okay, domain and range of a trigonometric functions. So here I will write functions. Okay, trigonometric functions, and here a domain, and here a range. Okay, yes. So first one is a sine function. Sine function. For sine function, domain is set of a real number system, that is R, and a range set is closed interval -1, 1. Okay. So similarly for cos function, domain is real number system and range is closed interval -1, 1. And third one is that is tan function. Domain is entire real number system except those values, those angles which are equals to 2n plus 1 times of pi by 2. Okay, here n belongs to set of integers. That means for tan function domain is entire real number system except minus except these values, these angles, that is multiple of pi by 2. Okay, and range is entire real number system for tan function. And the next fourth one is chord function whose domain is entire real number system except those angles or those values which are equal to n pi, that is multiple of pi, where n is a integer. Here angles are multiple of pi by 2, here angles are multiple of pi except those values in the entire real number. Okay, and the range is also entire real number system. And fifth one, that is secant function whose domain is entire real number system except multiple of pi by 2, angles which are multiple of pi by 2, and the range is entire real number system except open interval minus 1. Okay, na? And lastly, that is sixth one, cosec, whose domain is r minus x, such that where x is equals to n pi, where n is a integer, and whose range is entire real number system except, that means open interval minus 1 comma 1. Range r minus open interval minus 1 comma 1 means entire real number system is the range, but other than these values, that means these values are not included in the r. Okay, that means open interval minus 1 comma 1. Okay, this is all about the domain and range, of the all 6 trigonometric functions. Okay, these domain and ranges are very important. Okay, so just remember the domain and range of the all these trigonometric functions. Okay, sine function whose domain is r and range is closed interval minus 1 comma 1, and cos domain is or range is closed interval minus 1 comma 1 closed interval. Okay, like this. This will helps you to solve some of the problems also. Okay, yes. In the next class we will move to the derivation, that is sine of x plus 1. Okay, very important, and cos of x plus 1. Okay, and thank you to all.